Nothing screams summer like food on a stick, right? Jessica from Family Fare is here with a couple skewer recipes that'll be perfect for Father's Day weekend. And the best part, the kids can even help you.
Hi, I'm Jessica from Family Fare, and we've put together a Father's Day menu that's fun for the whole family. We're going to use skewers for the entire meal. I'm going to show you how to make pork al pastor tacos, marinated summer squash with an herb yogurt dressing, and chocolate peanut butter fondue. These squash have been marinating overnight in olive oil, chopped garlic, zest of a lemon, lemon juice, red chili flakes, salt, pepper, and a little bit of sriracha. These are going to have a little spice to it, but it'll really help balance out the yogurt dressing that we're going to put on at the end. So for these, I'm just going to alternate skewering between the summer squash and the zucchini. The pork has marinated overnight in olive oil, so our family olive oil, garlic cloves, Worcestershire sauce. I use full circle apple cider vinegar, orange juice, pineapple juice, chili peppers in adobo sauce, and brown sugar. And then what I did is I cut up a pork loin into about 1-inch cubes. And then also using pineapple chunks from the can that you use the pineapple juice from, red peppers and red onion. For the pork, I'm going to start and I'm going to alternate between the pork, pineapple, red peppers, and red onions. So I'm going to finish making all of the skewers and get these out on the grill. The pork, and if you're just watching for some light color to come on both the veggies and the pork. And the pork should reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees for at least 15 seconds. All right, so I'm gonna finish these up and I'll see you back here and show you how to make the tacos and the herb dressing. So everything is cooked and off the grill, and I've already taken all of the items from the al pastor skewers off. And before I shut the grill off, I heated up 3 tortillas. So now to assemble the tacos, you just take some pork and a mixture of the veggies that were on your pork skewers as well. And then you can use your favorite toppings. So I love our Fresh Divide already has fresh made pico de gallo that we make right in store, and the Fresh Divide guacamole, again made right in store. And then I love cilantro, so I just have a few extra pieces of cilantro, and of course some wedges of lime. Hey, so that is your main dish. So now let's make a delicious herb dressing for our squash skewers. So you just need a cup of Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. I zested and juiced a half a lemon. We have a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. And then I have a half cup of finely chopped fresh herbs. So in here I have mint, parsley, dill, and cilantro. And then we'll just give this a stir. And then you really just drizzle it all over your skewers. And then these skewers you can either serve as an appetizer or as a side dish. Okay, so that one's ready. And so now on to dessert. This is a delicious and super easy dessert to make, and why I love skewers is the kids love being involved and putting anything on a skewer. So they actually helped me make these skewers and they're ready to go. And then I just mixed some sugar, creamy peanut butter, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and heavy cream over low heat to make the chocolate peanut butter fondue. We've already skewered marshmallows, strawberries, bananas, and 2-bite brownies. So you can never have enough chocolate. So then you really just roll it in there. If you have a fondue pot, you can transfer it in there, or you can just put it like in a little container that I have, let it cool down a little bit before the kids start dipping. But there you go. So you can go check out shopfamilyfare.com for all of these recipes and more. And Family Fare just hopes you have a great and happy Father's Day.
Some delicious recipes. And remember, to see what's on sale this week or to check out those recipes and more, just head to shopfamilyfare.com.